Right, so we've got two whole leg of lamb here. These are from Farm Foods, halal, 2.55 kilos, and they're $18.99 each. These are two lamb shanks. I've used double, so I've used 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 of haldi, 2 of red chili powder. I've used 1 of black pepper, 2 of zira, and 4 of dhania powder. That's going to go into yogurt. So I'm using Greek yogurt here, and I've used half of this tub. I actually used 750 grams. And I'm also going to put in a garlic and ginger. So 8 spoons of garlic and ginger. This is already mixed. Also for chilies, because we like chilies. Lemon juice from 1 lemon is fine. So I have these fried onions as well. So I got my leg of lamb here. I'm going to cut off these big chunky parts here. And then I'm going to put in lots of slices along both sides. So we've got these big chunky bits, which I'm going to cut off. Where it's really thick, chunky parts of fat, we don't want them. See if we can do this without cutting my hand. Some people like it really fatty though. There you go. Let's chuck these away. And then we're gonna slice. I'm gonna keep this fat here. You see this? We're gonna keep that on. We're gonna put some slices down to the bone. So these are quite deep, yeah? So we're gonna get the masala in there. On the other side. Now, into this large pot. And our yogurt masala mix goes on top. There we go. Get it in there. The marinated lamb, and that's going into the fridge for 24 hours. Then we're going to stick it in tomorrow. Right, 24 hours later, we got our lamb, and this is going to go in this paper. I'm going to wrap it. So this is non-stick baking paper. One of them, and then the other one's in here. Going to do the same with this one. So I'm at my mom's house and she doesn't have the right things. So ideally you want to use a deeper one of these. Have some water in at the bottom, which I've put in at the bottom, and then you'd put a grill kind of thing in and then put this on top, so it's not sitting in the water, but that steam will help cook the thing. And you're going to put wrap foil over it. But in this case I've had to use another little pan, fill that with water, and I'm going to put this in and the other one in. Right, so it's foil wrapped and it's going to go into the oven. The oven is at, it's 100 and about 160, 180 at the moment. What I'll do is I'm going to put it in there, leave it for about an hour, and then turn it down to 140, like there. 6 hours at 150. Here we go. 6 hours. Let's do a little bit of garnishing, with make it look pretty. How's that? There you go.